A hypothesis is a calculated prediction or assumption about population parameter based on limitation evidence. The whole idea behind hypothesis formulation is testing. This means that researchers subject his or her calculated assumption to a series of evaluation to know whether they are true or false. Typically, every research starts with a hypothesis. The investigator make a claim and experiment to prove that this claim is true or false. For example, if you predict that students who drink milk before class perform better than those who do not, uh, this become a hypothesis that can be confirmed or refuted using experiment.